Nerdio currently supports email notifications by linking a Microsoft 365 mailbox. Nerdio Manager for Enterprise version 5.2 offers a new option for customers with a premium license. We can specify an SMTP email server to act as an email relay. Once the SMTP account type is specified, enter credentials. Enter the host and port number for the email relay. And finally, an email address that a test email will be sent to verify the credentials and configuration. Click Save to add the SMTP server and verify the credentials. That is how to configure the SMTP email service with Nerdio Manager for Enterprise.